Lady Elliot Island is the southernmost inhabited island in the Great Barrier Reef. The island was named after the ship, Lady Elliot, that was once stranded on its reef. It was once mined for guano, and was almost completely cleared of vegetation. It has been revegetated and has become a natural sanctuary since the 1960s. Today some of the island is managed as an ecotourism resort. The island is a coral cay, with the highest point only a few meters above the high tide. It is largely sandy, with grasses and substantial trees across the island, including a few beachside palms. No hills to climb, only 2 real walking tracks across the island. It is possible to walk around the island on the beach, even at high tide. The island is home to a great diversity of marine life. Many varieties of tropical fish, the ever-present sergeant major, parrot and butterfly fishes along with Moon Wrasse are probably the most common. Triggerfish, flute fish and anemone fish are fairly easily seen. Reef sharks, Manta Rays, stingrays are also around if you look. Mantas can even be spotted from the air when landing on the island, so keep an eye out. The corals are all hard corals. There is some color in some of the coral, especially in deeper water, but most of the coral and anemones are not brightly colored. Turtles breed and hatch their young on the island beaches, and can be viewed in the summer months. Green turtles and hawksbill turtles are common in the water at all times of year. They are curious creatures, and will often cruise around with you, rather than avoiding you. They are easily seen from boats or while snorkeling. Loggerhead turtles are rare but do inhabit the area. All flora and fauna is protected on the island and the bay. No fishing is allowed. Nothing can be removed from the island, including shells and washed-up coral. Everywhere on the island is accessible by foot. You can walk the length of the island in 15 minutes, and walk around it in around 30 minutes. The walking tracks are sand-formed, and not paved, and may present some difficulty to people with wheelchairs or a disability. Thanks for watching this episode of VideoVoyage.TV. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on these social networks. If this stuff was valuable for you, please help others finding it by sharing it on your social networks. Thanks again and see you next time.